Hi there, hope you're all doing well. This week's mini is the Dust King from Reaper Bones. I think this is actually one of the first minis I ever bought, and I still haven't actually painted him, and it's been a good 6 years now, so I think it's time to get it done. He was black and white Zenithal primes, and I get started with Amethyst Raynes for the robes. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I start adding the scratchy highlights to the robes with Sorcerer's Cloak over all of those raised folds. While the purple dries, I gave the base a once over with rock grey. Finishing up the purple robes, add another smaller scratchy highlight over all of the tips of the folds with Runic purple. I try out a new colour now with Spartan Bronze from Tooting Coats. This is over all of the armour panels. For the rest of the metal parts, I went with Army Painter's Gunmetal. For all of the leather parts and the fur around his cloak, I used Ancient Forest as the base layer. The skull and bones on his shoulder pads all get a once over with Dragon Fang to start off with. To highlight the leather and fur, I used Wasteland Brown. This is mostly just an edge highlight as the colours are fairly similar, so it just adds that bit of shine to the edge. To bring up all of the bones, I used a quick highlight of Skeleton Legion. Since his armour is mostly bronze and clearly very old, being a Dust King, I thinned down some pastel green and added a bit of patina around the joints. Moving on to the washes, I get started with mid brown over everything but the base and the purple parts. The second wash is a dark tone wash over the base and the silver parts, just to give them a bit of variation. Finishing up, I paint the base rim black as well as his eyes. I want to give those eyes a demon skeleton look instead of the bright glowing magic eyes that you would normally see on these minis. And that will be it for the Dust King, another mini from a very old pile of Bones minis I have. But I do like how this armor came out, and I'm looking forward to actually getting him on the table as a dungeon boss. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, if you want a closer look at this mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget, if you enjoy my content, drop a like and subscribe for future content. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.